Daikin has the largest range of products, so you have the choice of a split system, a multi-system or a ducted system. If you just want to condition one room, then a split system is ideal. If you have multiple rooms that are used at different times, then maybe the multi-split is a great option. But if you've got a large house where rooms are used consistently, maybe kids are running in and out of the rooms all the time, then the ducted system is the system that's best suited for you.
A split system essentially is designed for a single space within the home. Could be a single living area or a kitchen area or dining area, but it is a standalone space that needs to be conditioned, so not the whole house.
Multiple technologies for our split systems. You've got Wi-Fi, you've got fantastic filtration, and our product has been endorsed by the National Asthma Foundation as well.
The intelligent eye will scan the room, and if it sees no movement in the room for a couple of minutes, it will change the set point and go into an energy saving mode.
At Daikin, we have 4 main split systems to choose from. These include our US7, the Xena, Cora. We also have a European designer series known as the Nexura.
Yeah, well, when we're looking for an air conditioner, we went with the Daikin split system because it's great for heating and cooling. A small one-bedroom home like ours, it's perfect for us.
With the multi-split system, the advantages of the system are one outdoor unit for multiple indoor units, so between 3 and 5 indoor units, a selection of different types of indoor units, from floor-mounted units, wall-mounted units, bulkhead-type units.
With a multi-system, you have the ability to individually control your space, so temperature can be set to your requirements as well as airflows.
If you don't have the space for a ducted system or multiple single split systems, then the multi-system will give you that advantage.
So in Daikin, Australia, we have in the smaller range a multi-NX. If you're looking at a larger system for a larger home, we also have the VRV4S.
The advantages of the Daikin multi-split system is that you can heat and cool rooms individually. That saves us a ton on energy costs.
A ducted unit is best for a medium to large house where you want to condition all parts of the house, and it has an advantage over a split system where it's less obtrusive. You only see the grills in the roof, you don't see units on the wall.
Multiple zones can be controlled from our system. You can use it for new builds or renovations, so retrofits or new installs.
We have 2 types on offer here in Daikin, Australia. We have a premium ducted range as well as a standard inverter ducted range.
We have a very large house with lots of rooms, 2 children, and we wanted to have the freedom to know that they could roam all the rooms without having to close any off, and they'd be cool in summer and warm in winter. We really like it.